Pinoy SEO. Our website is pinoyseo.ph. We are offering free and paid SEO training in the Philippines. Elementor is a WordPress plugin that allows you to build your pages in your WordPress website. They just released an update. They have integrated their plugin with AI. So today, I'm going to show you some of the things that we can do with Elementor AI. So I have here a new post from my website, pinoyseo.ph. So basically, I just titled this creating content with Elementor AI. I have several widgets here already added. So if you're familiar with Elementor, you can just click here and then add a structure, for example, like this, and then you'll have the new widget. Click on plus, and then you'll be able to drag any widget that you like to your page. So basically, that's how it works. Let's start with this one, the text editor widget. You can see right with AI here button. Make sure that your Elementor is updated for you to have this functionality. Let's try to click. It's in beta phase for now. As will pop up, you'll have suggested prompts. Let's try create a blog post about SEO strategies in 2023. So let's try. Okay, so we have a well-made blog post here. So we have voice search, user experience, okay, video content, personalization, local SEO. And you'll have the option to simplify language, or make it longer, make it shorter, or fix spelling and grammar, or you can translate, okay? So that's the things that you can do with the Elementor AI for text widget. And next is, let's try an Elementor AI for HTML code, okay? So click here again, code with AI. And again, you'll be given some options here for suggested prompts. So what I want to do is to embed my YouTube video here, SEO Specialist Salary video. I just put in write and embed code for YouTube video, and then the link of the video. And then let's generate the code. So here's the iframe code that the AI generated, and we have the option to insert. So just insert, and there you have it. We have the embed code here, or the live video here. So we can just adjust the width and height here. So that's a second way that we can use Elementor AI. The next one is the image. So let's click on the image widget. But when we hover here, it says coming soon. So we'll wait. And I'm excited about this. The next one is, again, HTML code. Let's try to see this article from Elementor, and they have a lot of prompt ideas, for their Elementor AI. One that I would like to do is this: create a slider and add value beneath it. So I'll try to see. Click on the widget, code with AI, create a slider and add value beneath it. Okay, so let's try to generate a code. So you can see the HTML code created by the AI here, and let's insert. So this is the slider now, which you can move. As you move the dot, the value here changes. That's some of the many prompts we can do with Elementor AI, and it's just beginning. And so this is a pretty exciting time for page building. So again, you can see prompt ideas here from Elementor website. There's really lots of ideas. So that's it for this video. See you on the next video.